She went to the store yesterday. Welcome to English Quizly channel, your go-to destination for exciting English grammar quizzes. They ate pizza for dinner last night. He read a book yesterday. I watched TV all evening. She ran in the marathon last week. We visited the museum last month. They played soccer yesterday. He took a nap after lunch. She sang beautifully last night. I danced at the party on Saturday. They swam in the lake last summer. He drove to work yesterday. She cleaned her room this morning. We studied for the test last night. They walked to school yesterday. He wrote a letter last week. She jumped over the fence yesterday. I painted a picture yesterday. They drank coffee this morning. He talked to his friend yesterday. She played the piano last night. We visited the zoo last summer. They read a novel yesterday. He took a photo at the beach. She sang a song beautifully. I danced at the wedding last night. They swam in the pool yesterday. He drove carefully on the highway. She cleaned the windows yesterday. We studied hard for the exam. They walked in the park yesterday. He wrote a novel last year. She jumped over the river yesterday. I painted a beautiful picture. They drank tea this morning. He talked to the manager yesterday. She played chess last night. We visited the beach last summer. They read a magazine yesterday. He took a trip to the mountains. Thanks for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to our channel. We can't wait to see you in our next video.